Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can remove your profile picture on Facebook. So first you want to open Facebook. Now you want to click on menu at the bottom right of your screen. Over here at the top right corner, it's going to show you your profile picture and your Facebook name. Click on it. Once you click on it, it'll bring you to your Facebook profile. From over here, you want to click on your Facebook profile so you can see the profile picture. Once you click on it, it'll show all this option. From over here, click on over here where it says see profile picture. Once you click on it, your profile picture will be enlarged just like this. Now once your profile picture is enlarged, at the top right you will see the three dots. If you don't see the three dots, just tap anywhere in the screen, it'll appear and just click on it. And then you want to choose delete photo, which is going to be at the top. And then you want to click on delete again because it's asking are you sure, and we are sure we want to delete it. So we will click on delete. Once we do that, it'll load for some time and it'll close just like this. Once that happens, the next thing you want to do is close the Facebook app. Make sure it's not running in the background. Reopen it again. And as you guys can see, my Facebook profile picture has disappeared. So that is how you guys can remove your profile picture on Facebook. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.